Yeah, so it's pretty cool how the dogs kind of do their own thing when they're out here, you know. They each kind of do their own exploring. Every now and then I have a smaller dog that'll take to a larger dog and kind of like that's its mentor, and so it'll follow the bigger dog around. Or sometimes I get two dogs that obviously get along really well and they're buddies, and so they go exploring together. But yeah, it's kind of cool how when they're out here, they're just, you know, they each do their own thing. Good girl, Joe. Good boy, Hugo. Oh, there's two little Boston Terriers coming up. Oh, you're okay, Chewy. You're okay. Chewy, come on. Come. Good boy. You're fine. Good boy. Good girl, Joe. Good boy, buddy. Okay. Looks like someone almost wanted to join our pack, okay? So when my brother did dog sitting, because he did that for a little while, he said that his dog of choice would have been a Boston Terrier. Isn't that kind of cool? How I guess after, you know, looking after a few dogs, you kind of get to know their personality and their tendencies, because every breed has certain tendencies, and he said that was his choice. I don't think I've ever actually sat a Boston Terrier. I'm trying to think now. I might have done a Boston Terrier cross like once. That kind of rings a bell. But I know for myself, in the past, I've had a couple of dogs that are like they're classified as hypoallergenic, so they don't shed very much. And so after having a dog that doesn't shed too much, and then you have dogs around that shed a lot, it's a noticeable difference. So for myself, I would definitely stick to something probably mixed with either poodle, so a doodle type, or actually I almost got a mini poodle. Yeah, I did. I almost got one after Jasper, but then I was supposed to share with my brother, and then he kind of didn't want to, so we didn't. But yeah, that probably just for ease of, you know, like kind of like if I had a choice kind of thing. Good job, guys. And I did not know this, but there is a type of cat that doesn't shed, and it's not that hairless cat that everybody thinks of. It's Devon something, and yeah, apparently they don't have an undercoat, so then they don't shed like crazy. I think they shed a little bit, but not the extent that regular cats do. Tukker, you're at my feet again, and you're not getting very much video time. Hi, Hugo. Hey, bud. Hey, Tucker. Hey, buddy. So from the looks of it, this is like Joe really likes this park because of this little mini creek or stream, whatever it is. Because there's just lots for her to explore, right? Like in between these logs and dead brushes and stuff. That's what her facial expressions tell me, anyways. Good boy. And I'm not positive, but I might need to go drop off a card. What's happening is I have a card for a friend, and I'm trying to get everybody to sign it. So if I do stop in Sherwood Park tomorrow, then we'll head up to Deer Mound. We'll head to Deer Mound, and that'll be a new, different park for them to explore. There's that Airedale again. Good boy, buddy. Oh, Hugo. Good boy. Good boy, bud. Good boy, Tucker. Good boy, buddy. They're like, okay, Gabs, which way? Because there's a few routes we can take. Well, two. One leads to the field, and this one leads to further trails. Good boy, Tucker. Good boy, buddy. Oh, here's that really nice area where I like to take pictures because of the evergreens there. It's a really nice little area.